Open it, open it, open it, open it. Let's see what's inside. I can't grab it. Wow! My dinosaur smash it! It's big! Wow! I love my own dinosaur smash dragon. I don't want to open it.
You don't want to open it?
No.
Why?
Just kidding. Hi guys, so now we're gonna open the dinosaur smasher egg. I really am excited to open it and see what's inside. And this mini tail. Mini words are funny. You can do a channel like mine another day too. So I'm gonna do it right now. But I mean, I'm gonna open it. Do you guys wanna see what's inside? I can't wait to see what's inside. I can't wait! Okay. It didn't work.
Let's try it again.
Thank you. Look, Mommy! Look, it's the dinosaur.
The bag?
My hand. My hand is a dinosaur.
Oh no! He's eating your face.
Eating mine?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
What is it? This is a T-Rex.
It is.
Okay.
It's the same.
Yeah, it's a green one.
Another green one. This one, guys. It looks like a sheep.
Hmm.
It looks like a sheep, guys, or like a goat.
Or like a deer.
Yes, or like a deer.
Hmm.
Or like whatever. Whatever could it be? Let's see. Another triceratops. Boom. Hey. Oh, it's a deer.
Awesome!
So cute.
So let's do the big dinosaur. Let's do this big T-Rex. And in the crystal slime is a toy.
Okay. Here. Wow.
Nice!
Oh my goodness.
Bring.
Mm-hmm. Look what it's gonna be. Ta-da!
What is it?
Look.
Okay, let's see.
It's racing.
It's growing snow. Look.
It is snowing.
Oh my god, look, it's coming here.
The other part
Look, the arms.
in the water.
Okay, this is ready.
To go in the water.
Yes. Go in the water. Let's see.
Woo.
stretch his name.
Long and big. Good opening with scissors.
The bigger parts are here. Look, the bigger parts. Oh my god, look.
Ooh, look at this part. Oh, this Oh no! Of the kids. Stop